Hi. I'm not going to introduce myself by a name. You can you can just refer to me as C. Just refer to me as C. The only reason that I'm making this channel is to visually log my progression in trading. Um, I'm not going to get into my my past and what has brought me to trading, but the only thing that you need to know, or the only thing that I want you to know, is that I want to change my life, the life for me and my wife, and hopefully others one day. Um, I want to do this in a way that impacts Christ's kingdom in a positive way, because everything that I do is for His glory, and there's not one thing that I want to do that is outside of His will for my life. So, with that being said, I don't want to be famous, really, in the aspect of it's my name being lifted up. If I am known, then I want it to be because I was the light for Christ in someone else's darkest day. Um, in that way that I can point all glory to Him. And so yeah, this is where I'm gonna post my trade recaps, my study sessions that I record. Anything that I feel like I need to journal, or I need to not journal, but I need to record and put in a place that I can come back to and watch when I've improved, so I can look back and have that. Um, the video that you're about to watch is the first trade that I've taken, actually being able to comprehend and digest the concept of a strategy. Um, so if you are by all means if you're a profitable trader, let's just put it that way. If you're a profitable trader and you've been in this for a while, just realize that I'm learning, and everything that I do is obviously not going to be correct. Excuse me. I'm learning, and the more and more I do it, the more and more I know that I will progress. So just take that into an account as you go into this. And if you want to subscribe, you can. If you want to comment, you can. Like all of that. That's fine with me. Um, but yeah, I think that's it really. You'll probably, if you want to stick around, you'll see my face again. But other than that, that's all I gotta say. And maybe later on down the road, I'll give more context about why I want to trade, or what got me here, or you know my whole life story. Maybe one day, I don't know. Um, but yeah, I hope you enjoy. Yo, I just hopped into the trades here. I got my bias, looking for um, a bullish trade. Uh, Hold on. So as you can see here, I have so we've actually closed above this line here. SMT divergence. The Nasdaq made a low, and then a lower high, and then you can see the SMT divergence here. Breakup structure here, and then we have an order block here, closure above it. So we are actually going to enter in here a long stop loss here, target these highs. I don't see, I don't, I don't really see it coming up this far. Limit order, market. 1 second. I'm seeing buying pressure out of it for sure. Let me scale into the 1 minute. Yeah. I need to enter in here. I need to get into this quick, but I think I need more capital on the stop loss here. Limit order. Units 1 buy. We actually entered in here, but yeah. I think that's not a very good risk to reward, is it? It's a 1 to 5. I would like it to be better. But let's see what happens. It's not a very good risk to reward. And I didn't even move my stop loss. See, I'm risking more than I knew I should have entered here. I tried to enter here, but let's bring our take profit up here. This is where it has the potential to go. Because as you see, there is high time frame draws of liquidity here. It even has the potential to come up here and sweep these highs. Do I think it'll do that? No. Do I think it'll actually come up here? No. It'll probably start the reversal somewhere down in this range. But let's just see how this plays out. This is like my first paper trade, so I'm just really experimenting on to see what works. I entered. I waited for these. What was it? Where was it? So there was a high time frame. So this 1 hour high got swept, as you can see, and then I'll even mark it. That high time frame got swept. And then, let me see. Am I looking at this right? I gotta make sure I'm looking at this right. Hold up. Because I was just a second ago. One sec. That was just a second ago. Hourly high got swept. Was it this hourly high? Nope. I can't remember which hourly high it was. All I know is that bro, why are we still down? Did I enter here? No way I entered there. No, that doesn't make any sense. I have no idea. This is not a tool that's working for me. I guess we entered here. Frick. I don't know. I thought I entered right here. Paper trading is so weird. Anyway, either way, we're gonna go up. I know that for sure, but still, paper trading is weird. Let's see what we're doing here. So market just opened. Market literally just opened, like right. One hour, 20 minutes. I don't get that. It is 9:46 a.m. Why does this say Wednesday? PM. That's 6 p.m. I have no idea. I just don't really know yet. Okay. Slowly making our climb back up here. Let's see. Down $75 so far. Come on. $50. $62. $30. Price wants to go up. I know that price wants to go up. Break even. Literally break even. would technically be that. I don't know. I need to learn more about equilibrium. I know about order block, breaker block, inverse fair value gap, and S&T divergence. Those are the 4 I think I just named, or 5, that I am mostly educated in. So that's what I used. I really need to be looking at the these hourly lows got hit, or these hourly lows got swept out. Highs, frick, hourly highs. So this is a non-paper tradable symbol. So I can put a take profit stop loss, but I can't actually like paper trade it. So that's a little bit unfortunate. But I mean, yeah, it's I need to be looking at the I tried to enter here, bro. I did. I tried to. I really did. But yeah, what it is, bro. What it is. I really wish that we could just break this threshold right here. We're starting to consolidate. My nose is starting to run. Dude. Nope, it's not what I'm looking for. Uh-oh. We have this. Yeah, we're gonna go up. We're about to go up. Yep. There's some more. There's some more S&T divergence here. We have another lower high, but we don't see that on this one, as you can see. So that means volume is fading, and we're gonna continue to push higher. So take profit 1 has just hit. Okay, this looks good. This would be really cool to see if, you know, my strategy for the first real paper trade had actually like worked out. Be really cool. Yeah. I feel like it would boost my confidence in this for sure. If I could even close at 1,000, take profit at 1,000, or just dip, then that'd be cool too. My nose is running so bad. See if I was able to get entered in 1 or 2, that'd be a really good take profit. That'd be really good take profit. And that's honestly where I was wanting to go. I was wanting to wait for this candlestick closure here, enter in, put my stop loss here, or stop loss here, take profit here. So I would have been entered here. In my opinion, that would have been a really good trade. But I got entered in late, and yeah, first trade really. So I mean, I'm just gonna journal it, study it, figure out what I need to do for the next trade. But we did have a fair value gap here. Luckily, we did come and take care of that already. Or what was it? Right here. It's right there. Yeah, my fault. My nose is running bad. Let's see. Just gonna let this ride out. At least the same, I think. Okay. Take profit. Mm. It's not an hourly high, I think. It is hourly high. Well, no, it's not hourly high. It's not hourly high. Okay, that's good. Okay. Third take profit has gotten hit. Okay, if we can keep pressure above it, if I see a reversal here, then I'll probably exit. I'm not sure. I would like to see a reversal. Let's see what it does here. There's a fair value gap here. Let's see if it comes in, dips into it. Five minutes. We actually swept those. And the S&P 500. Just waiting for a 5-minute break of structure. Or, yeah, break of structure would be what I'm looking for. Aha. Perfect. Well, I was looking at the wrong time frame. My bad. Okay. Let's see what it does. Okay. Still a break of structure. Okay. Oh my god. Ugh. This is just not a good risk reward ratio. I'm not happy with this. I'm not happy with this risk to reward ratio at all. But if you think about it, higher time frame, it's not terrible. It's not terrible, but still. Like, if I hit all of my key levels here, then I would be making more than I'm risking, but still, it's just not something I'm personally happy with here. Hold on. I'm going to hold up. I blew my nose. Okay, we are retracing into this fair value gap. We do have to move past it though, unfortunately, in order to see. I need a breakup structure all the way down here. Which is insane. Oh, brother. I do not care. I will lose this trade before I exit out. Because this wants to go higher. It does. We're just making a slight retracement. And it is a breakup structure, but still. Oops, my bad. Bro, let me tell you what I think about this trade as I'm looking at it right now. I entered right here, apparently. Here. I'm just going to go ahead and close it, okay? I'm just going to close it. I entered right here, something like that, on this candlestick. I wanted to enter right here. You hear me? Right here. The chart just moved too fast, man. It moved mad fast. I wanted to enter like right here. So when I seen the break of structure to the upside, you see, I seen the break of structure to the upside. I seen buying pressure out of it. I tried to enter like right here. Chart moved too fast. Got entered like right here. Overall, my trade won, and I was right. I just tried to push it. So, hypothetically, if you think about it, my trade still won. Because I hit my original, like I had it right here. I had it like right here. Dude, it hit that. It went slightly above it, came back down, bro. I won the trade initially. If I would have just stuck to the plan. And that's one thing I guess that I'm just going to have to figure out. I just got to stick to my original plan. Literally one. This right here is my original trade. This would have been my original trade. See, a 1 to 7 looks like no ratio, 1.75 ratio risk reward. Sad, but oh well. I could potentially look for another trade here. Not 100% sure. I'd have to wait. Those hourly lows got swept. We don't have any other hourly lows. As you can see, that one hasn't got swept. Yeah, that one did get swept. So that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. That would really be done for the day, in all honesty. Yeah. About this one, see? Okay. Do that closure below. Check the 1 hour. P. It's 5 minutes. That trade was nice. Would have entered here. Take profit was like there. That's not a bad trade. That's not a bad trade at all. I'm not bad. I'm not mad at that. I should have just stuck to the original plan. Oh well. Okay. Not bad.